Aloha, Mama, Ohana. Interstate, Hawaii.
We miss your faces.
It's been a while since we sat down at our last BOMA meeting.
Don't you think committee meetings are the meetings of people so far, far away?
Lunch and learns online are not the same.
Who wouldn't want to be in a golf tournament right now?
Working together, both online and in person, during this crazy year has been challenging, but yet we persevere.
We would like to take this time to thank
first responders for keeping us safe,
Healthcare workers for keeping us healthy.
Business and property owners for navigating through this pandemic and helping us thrive.
General managers, resident managers, property managers, and assistant managers for keeping operations moving as smooth as possible.
Security for keeping watch 24 hours a day for our safety.
janitorial workers for keeping properties clean,
Maintenance and engineering for keeping the lights on.
Parking associates for keeping lots clean and safe and available for those who need a parking spot.
To the BOMA Ohana for making sure every one of us can continue to live life as close to normal as possible.
With all of us coming together and working through this difficult time, we have persevered and prepared to face 2021 together.
We here at Interstate Hawaii hope you continue to stay healthy.
Hallelujah.